I don't know if it's recording. Let me check. It is. We're at the beach. Yeah. Hi, Vincent.
Hello.
Hi, Norman. Ooh, that's so pretty.
Right? Isn't this like the way?
I'm
Norman,
recording.
Funny.
Like what? Are you recording, making that video?
No, I'm just picking pictures.
Picking.
Oh, okay, you want me to do a video?
We're
I can
waiting.
do a video too. But no.
Ow. We're waiting for people to show up because yeah. It's me.
I got Scott, you doing yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
Okay, that's all I'm gonna record for now.
Every time I see people wear basketball,
See you later. Maybe, maybe not.
You should take one.
Not really.
I'll record it.
Ow, you're stepping on my
Fail.
Did you pour it on top?
Or just cover my head.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, okay.
I got 2 long sleeves, so I'm good.
You're welcome again. Man.
I brought it.
Yay.
Time to hold hands and sing.
Hi.
Hi.
If we sat in a circle, I could go around asking everyone to speak out their true feelings. Hi, Hawk.
Hi.
Hi, Kimmy.
Kumbaya!
Hi, Ariel.
I don't think this is where he is.
Hardworking men.
Right.
Your thing. Never mind, actually. Recording.
Documenting this.
Hi.
Hey.
Zoom.
Hey, bro.
You're boring.
I just like shivered.
Stand in front of the fire.
There's
Me?
no fire.
There's kind of
It's like the
one.
wind is like blowing it away.
You have to cover.
Your hair's gonna catch on fire. Don't do it.
You got hair this time.
And we can use calendar pages. Chris,
Yeah.
we can use the
paper.
calendar pages. Because I brought them.
I only brought one. I don't have the other one.
It's okay, I mean.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Don't put your arm.
Yeah, that would not be smart.
Vincent! I was gonna make the TV back. Answers!
Thank you. Say hi.
Hello.
Got my marshmallows. It's beautiful. There you go.
Take one. Tasha, just give me like 2 bucks.
Oh, that's, I barely put it on a little guy. You just put it on the base.
Tasha, stop being a poopy head.
You don't need to put any lighter fluid on the top of it.
Tasha's a preschool.
Miss Planner over here distributing food.
She has to stop filming. Okay, you gotta take your.
Bye. Vincent's making the first s'more. Oh man, I didn't zoom in, so I have to stand at a distance.
All my sleeping bags. It's okay.
Like a little crew of people over here. Are you excited?
Hey, I try to see.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, come here. Come back.
Yeah.
Doesn't it look pretty? Okay, I'm gonna stop recording and take pictures.
Fire!
Oh yeah, you're.
Norman, your butt just got in the film. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's all round. Look, everyone's all here. Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Supposed to get on
Bye.
fire.
Okay.
We're not starting a fire.
Yeah.
Oh, I kind of missed that.
Hey, can someone move these? I'm scared.
I am too. I'm not going close to that.
Yeah, go.
Get out of the bag. Man up, Quack.
I need to hold it.
I'm holding it.
Right.
Yeah, Vincent.
Dennis, man, make your score.
Yeah, Vincent. Good job.
This is a Dennis fire. This you guys take a picture of him here. Dennis, get near the fire so we all know this way. We all know. Here, oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Now don't touch it.
So Ray can run this way.
I'm just
Charlie was.
Sounds like the wolf ran.
Yeah, Franklin.
Cold much?
Yeah. But I don't really want to stand near the fire.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Cup that you're not supposed to throw away.
Okay, thank you.
Woohoo!
Hey Dennis, I don't see it. Really? It's a 2. Yeah. I don't see it though.
If you go into third grade,
No, help me look for a fire. Wait.
Holy
Go
crap,
here.
Ray.
Why didn't you give it to me or something?
Where's Kimmy? Oh, they went to the pee-pee.
Wait, okay, you should use right?
Oh man.
Can you see what cards you have right now? No, you already picked it up. Yeah.
It's like a music video thing. It like starts out like this.
Oh, I know.
So we gonna play another one? Mine was a 2. I don't know which one.
Looking for Dennis's card.
I know there were 3. Dennis, all right, look for it right now.
Is there 2
Look
around here?
for it.
Whoa! Shit. Fire burning in the fire pit.
I mean, I put it like right here somewhere.
Well, you dug it in the sand?
I didn't dig in the sand. I just put it on top. It was face down. Is that? Where did you walk to, Dennis?
Like, I don't want to.
I'm not recording it.
Recording! Why don't you put it in your pocket? Or give it to me.
Kimmy.
It's like a roller coaster.
I would actually, if we went to Disneyland, I would totally do this because I just do it.
Right?
Yeah, I do it all the time.
Okay, you can run in front of Nancy.
Mountain.
I can't. Let me just in case. Ah, ah, ah.
Slow ass roller coaster. Yeah.
Oh, that
All
was,
up in my face.
oh, there was something here.
Yeah, because you zoomed in, that's why.
Yeah. Where's our car? Oh. Yo. Hey guys.
Hi, guys.
You gotta do it with me.
No one would do it except for me. Except for me.
Watch. Right, ready?
Din din. Din din. Din din. Down the button.
Get this gun. You don't have to record every single
No, I have to. No, I have to.
I know.
What do you want to say to YouTube?
Hi, Timmy.
What do you want to say to YouTube?
I got root here.
Okay.
Not really.
Oh my god, that was green. I'm turning it off.
No, it's still